Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome the default web browser on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the apps tile, and then select default apps on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down under web browser and select whatever entry is listed in here, and then select Google Chrome, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.